Updating your kitchen is one of the biggest renovation investments you will make, so it is important that you get it right. There are a number of key ingredients for good kitchen design. Let's discuss flow, surfaces, storage, quality fittings, and appliances. First and foremost is the flow of your kitchen. Good kitchen design ensures that you have adequate zones for storage, meal prep, cooking, and washing. Having a functional flow in your kitchen will ensure that you get the most out of the space and maximise storage. Investing in the right surfaces for your kitchen is also important for good kitchen design. There are a range of surfaces available these days, from laminate and timber to solid surface and engineered stone. Each offers a range of different benefits and attributes. Have a think about how you plan to use your kitchen to determine the right one for you. It's an old saying but true, storage is king. Maximising your kitchen for storage is a sound investment. Look for solutions that will allow for more storage and enable you to easily find and access items around your kitchen. Vertical storage, appliance nooks, pantry drawers and corner drawer solutions are all a great way to squeeze every bit of space out of your kitchen. One of our biggest kitchen design tips is to invest in quality hardware and fittings. Blum, for instance, offer triple nickel-plated hinges which prevent rusting. They are also 6-way adjustable to allow for movement in your home. Quality drawer runners will ensure that your drawer can accommodate heavy pots and pans. It is also worthwhile investing in quality cabinetry. Opt for cabinets that have high moisture resistant and are made from a quality composition. Finally, ensuring your kitchen design caters for the right type of appliances is also important. Modern appliances are as clever as it gets, from steaming to self-cleaning. Perhaps you love cooking and would like a state-of-the-art oven. Time-poor families might want a self-cleaning oven and induction technology to immediately heat and cook food. When it comes to appliances, we recommend researching and tailoring your appliances around your lifestyle and how you want to use your kitchen. Master these fundamentals and you will have a quality, functional kitchen design that will stand the test of time.